Hello from the Social Media Research Foundation. We maintain the NodeXL application, which is a network data collection, analysis, and visualization tool for Microsoft Excel. We know that discovering and communicating insights from a network data set can be a difficult task, so we have developed a new way to display and interact with NodeXL networks. NodeXL Pro INSIGHTS, a new way of looking at Twitter data. NodeXL Pro Insights is a software service based on the Microsoft Power BI platform that converts a NodeXL Twitter network dataset into a rich interactive report accessible via any web browser. The NodeXL Pro Insights report connects and pivots along several social media data dimensions: networks, content, metadata, tweets, time, images, and locations. The image in the center of the report page highlights different aspects of the data, in this case the distribution of tweets by group over time. Here is another look at time data with the time grid view. Each of the report pages is dedicated to different dimensions in the data, such as showing the locations of users active in a collection of tweets on a world map. Explore the top tweets. Reveal influencers. View the hashtags as a word cloud. See all the words as a word cloud. Get a quick overview of the sentiment expressed in the data. The Media Report page displays an overview of the image and media files shared in the dataset. The Compare pages enable users to quickly contrast different populations. NodeXL Pro Insights enables these reports to be published to the public via web browsers, viewable on most devices. You can view topics that matter to you in this format with just a few clicks with NodeXL Pro Insights. Follow the link below to start your subscription, or contact us at info@smrfoundation today to request a sample report for a topic of your choice.